Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Contract Simplified, your space for decoding complex legal concepts with ease. I'm Advocate Kritika and together we will turn tricky legal scenarios into interview-winning questions in the series of Legal Interview Question and Answer. Now let's dive straight into today's question. A contract renewal was missed, resulting in auto-renewal with unfavorable terms. Can this be prevented going forward? Tip for answering this is show that you can set up a proactive system, assign accountability, and create review process. This demonstrates both process thinking and preventive controls. The model answer for this would be I would set up auto alerts and reminders in the CLM system at multiple intervals. Example 90, 60, or 30 days before expiry. Use metadata tagging to capture renewal clauses and trigger notification. Ensure contract owners are assigned and responsible for monitoring. Conduct a quarterly contract audit to track upcoming renewals and also train teams on the renewal review workflow before an auto renewal occurs. This is just one way to tackle this scenario. There could be even better answers out there. Share your take in the comment section, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Let's grow and learn together. See you in the next episode.